Hi, today I'm going to talk about advanced symbology and styling. Um, so, in previous episodes, we focused more on the modeling side and reporting. In this episode, I'll just focus on some interesting styling and symbology features. So, in this example, I have a model. I worked in one of the towns in southeast England, and I'm gonna open the diagram so you can see the layout of the junction. So as you can see here, we can see four-arm junction, and I'm gonna expand now the ribbon. Double click here, and now we have it all over the screen. So in previously episodes, I've explained how to add a background picture or screenshot. For the sake of this episode, I'm just going to disable it, so you will see why it's important. I'm gonna press click on the background, and here I'm gonna do only show diagram only. Now we can only see the diagram, which is more convenient if you wanna play with some advanced features of styling. And as you can see, we have a layout of this four-arm junction in terms of the number of lanes, turnings, exits, entries. But it's also possible to show it as sticks, just to make it more simplified. That's one option. Also, in addition, if I go to the overlay menu, I can see the value compositions in terms of traffic flows. That's also a nice feature, so you can visually see where the majority of traffic's routing through. I can also maybe do flows by entry, and the thicker the line, it means the higher the traffic volume. Or I can do flows by exit on the contrary. I can also go to flows here and do demand set, demand used as input model, which is more advanced features. You can have a look at it at your own time. Yeah, so I mean that could be useful at times, and it's also nice to add it to some presentations or to the final report as previously explained. I can also show some cues and cues here. You can see the cues here, and perhaps I want to put cue percentiles. So there's lots to cover here. I would just recommend everyone just to play with the overlay style and flows here. It might be useful for you. Yeah, thank you for watching.